Today, I want to talk to you about something that could significantly improve your overall health and wellness: mitochondrial function. Specifically, I'll be discussing a supplement called Mitolyn that can help you enhance your mitochondrial function, which plays a key role in weight loss. Mitochondria are tiny enzymes in our bodies that help burn calories, and when they're functioning properly, they can help promote significant weight loss and increase your energy levels. Many of us have experienced frustration from extreme workout regimens or restrictive diets that don't seem to provide the results we want. We've all been there, spending hours at the gym or struggling with unsustainable meal plans. It's frustrating when you lose just 1 pound after all that effort, right? That's exactly why I'm here today to share with you Mitolyn, a natural dietary supplement designed to boost your mitochondrial function, support rapid weight loss, and help you feel good about your body. You can find Mitolyn on its official website, linked below, where you can purchase it, learn more about the product, and read reviews from real people who have tried it. Check it out in the description box just under this video. Now, what's great about Mitolyn is that it's 100% natural. It's made with a blend of powerful ingredients, including maqui berry, which is loaded with antioxidants and has a host of benefits for your heart, cholesterol levels, and mitochondrial health. Another key ingredient is amla, along with theobroma cacao and acai, all of which work together to support healthy mitochondrial function. In total, there are 6 ingredients in Mitolyn, and you can learn more about each one and their specific benefits by visiting the official website. The goal of Mitolyn is simple: boost your mitochondrial function. When your mitochondria are working at their best, you can experience weight loss without spending endless hours at the gym or following strict diets. Yes, it's still important to maintain a healthy diet and exercise, but Mitolyn makes the process easier by optimizing your body's ability to burn fat. But the benefits don't stop there. Mitolyn also supports your immune system, cognitive function, vision, blood pressure, and gut health. So not only will you lose weight, but you'll also feel healthier and more vibrant overall. For the best results, I recommend taking Mitolyn consistently for 3 to 6 months. Simply take 1 capsule each day. And don't worry, if for any reason you're not satisfied with the product, there's a 90-day money-back guarantee available on the official website. If you're looking to lose weight, improve your confidence, and feel healthier, Mitolyn might be just what you need. Visit the official website for more information or to make a purchase. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.